Hi, my name is Kabir Maira. I'm a theatre actor. I've done some work in television. Looking to work in film soon. मैं सुशील सर से बॉम्बे आते ही मिल गया. As soon as I came to Bombay, one of the first classes I had was with Sushil sir. और सुशील सर गीत और संगीत के माध्यम से सिखाते हैं. I always had a tough time with the language, having spent a lot of time overseas. और diction पे जो काम किया है सुशील सर ने मेरे साथ, it has helped me so much. I think it's the best way to understand and learn another language is through singing in that language. Or Sushil sir is now, I consider him a guru, I consider him a friend, I consider him family. And I cannot say the same for everyone else that I've trained with. I've had a lot of people train me in acting, and I look up to all of them. They've all added to my experience. But the quality of learning and experience that I've had with Sushil sir has just been fantastic. So if anytime someone asks me क्या आपने voice or diction में training की है, acting में training की है, the first person I always recommend is Sushil sir. Thank you so much, Sushil sir. It's been amazing. I would not have been where I am today if I had not been your student. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
आप सावम के बारे में कुछ कहेंगे?
Savam is as a training institute for actors is very different from every other institute. It feels like family. It feels like it's something that's coming from the heart. Sushil sir and also the students that come there, they seem to be there because they're genuinely passionate about the craft of acting and singing for the camera and for stage. It does not seem like a commercial outfit at all. It is something that comes straight from the heart, and I like to come back once in a while just to sit with Sushil sir and sit with him and his harmonium, and it feels like coming home. Whenever I come back to Savam, it feels like I'm coming home. Thank you.